Filmora 13 First Look, New Arrival Feature.
Introducing Wondershare Filmora 13, packed with an incredible new premium feature AI text to video. Let's dive in. Click here to open the AI text to video window. AI text to video. In the video text area, you can craft your video script. Standard punctuation enhances the segmentation effects. Keep your script within 2000 letters or words. Text language. By default, the language is set to English, US, but you can change the language selection to suit your needs. Video aspect ratio. You have the flexibility to change the video aspect ratio from 16 to 9 to 9:16. Voiceover. Choose your preferred voiceover from the available options. Applying the script. Apply your script to create AI text to video. Importing script. To import a script from a Word document, simply press Select All, Ctrl+A, and then copy, Ctrl+C. Editing. If your script exceeds the 2000 word limit, you can make necessary changes. You can also select the language settings to your preference. Finalizing. Click here, and the process will commence. Please be patient during this time and enjoy some music. Your AI text to video. Your video is now ready. It includes background music, voiceover, video clips, and subtitles. The power of AI has made the process remarkably efficient. Preview. Let's watch the video first to ensure everything looks great. Title: The Sneaker Business Report. The sneaker industry has experienced remarkable growth and transformation over the past decade. This report provides a concise overview of the current state of the sneaker business, highlighting key trends, challenges, and opportunities. Market overview. The global sneaker market has reached new heights. With an estimated value of over $100 billion in 2022. The market is characterized by its dynamic nature, with a steady demand for fashionable and functional footwear. Key factors driving this market include athleisure trend. Sneakers have become a fashion statement, fueled by the athleisure trend. Consumers increasingly seek stylish and comfortable footwear for both sports and casual wear. E-commerce growth. Online retail channels continue to gain ground, with many. Editing. If you notice any mistakes or misspellings, here's how to edit. Identify where edits are needed. Select the segment and remove the text or adjust the voiceover. Title: The Sneaker Business Report. The sneaker industry has experienced remarkable growth and transformation. Customization. You can also apply a consistent color look to the entire video by adding an adjustment layer and applying LUTs. Preset and effects. Search for suitable presets and apply them. You can also enhance your video with light effects. The Sneaker Business Report. The sneaker industry has experienced remarkable growth and transformation over the past decade. This report provides a concise overview of the current state of the sneaker business, highlighting key trends, challenges, and opportunities. Export and thumbnail. After making all your adjustments, it's time to export the video and generate a thumbnail. In the AI thumbnail generator, you can find the video you've created. Here's your thumbnail. And this is the rendered video file. Has experienced. Play the video and discover its usefulness. Growth and transformation over the past Conclusion. Decade. This report provides a concise overview of the current state of the sneaker business, highlighting key trends, challenges, and opportunities. The global sneaker market has reached new heights, with an estimated value of over $100 billion in 2022. The market is characterized by its dynamic nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for our next video, and in the meantime, explore our other tutorials. Keep learning and keep creating.